Dana Bingham here with your G Suite Tip of the Week number 10. Sharing your G Suite files. We are going to review the degrees of sharing, sharing rights, and owner settings. The 4 basic steps to sharing are to find the file you would like to share, choose who to share with, choose how they can use your file, then set their rights. Before we review the degrees of sharing, let's take a look on where to access those. Near the top right corner of your file, select the Share button, select Advanced, select Change, and there are your degrees of sharing. The most restrictive degree of sharing is when it's locked and the file is private only to you. The second degree of sharing is when you choose to share it with only specific people via email or typing their names in. The third degree of sharing is anyone with the link that you create in your domain can access that file. The fourth degree of sharing is anyone in your domain can search for and access the file. The fifth degree of sharing is when you create a link, but this time anyone with a link can access the file. And the sixth degree of sharing is when it's public, anyone can search Google and have access to your file. Before we review the sharing rights, let's take a look at where you can access those. Again, go to your Share button. Next to the box where you type in names or email addresses, you can select that drop-down menu and change their access. You have 3 options. The most restrictive sharing right option is Can View. These people can view the file, they can't change it or share the file with others, nor can they make comments or suggestions. The second sharing right option is Can Comment. These people can make comments and suggestions to the file, but can't change it or share it with others. And the least restrictive sharing rights option is Can Edit. These people can make changes, accept or reject suggestions, and share the file with others. Lastly, let's take a look at where you can access your owner settings. Select the Share button, select Advanced. Near the bottom of that pop-up window, you will see your 2 owner settings options. One of those options is for you to prevent editors from changing access by adding or taking away access from people. Your other owner settings option is to disable the option to download the file, print the file, or copy the file for people who are commenters or viewers. That's all for sharing G Suite files. For more EdTech tips, follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as EdTechBing, or check out my blog at danabingham.com.